What is happening, Magnus sites? Look at this big old box Hasbro hath sent me. See, I didn't even know what it was. Alright? I did not know what it was at all. I got no email or nothing. They just surprised me with it. I opened it up and I was like, oh, this is an unboxing they want me to do. This is a big box. And the letter on top said it is a Star Wars San Diego Comic-Con exclusive box, basically, toy box products. So let's check this out, because I won't be at the San Diego Comic-Con, but doing this unboxing, it'll be kind of like I was there. Yeah, let's do this. So let's see what they sent me here. Who knows, maybe I'll give giveaways for these things. You know what I mean? Because I can't keep every single thing that I got. I mean, I could, I guess. But I'm going to run out of room sooner or later. So let's see what the first thing is. Okay. Boom. Porg. Forces of Destiny. So it looks like this is a game. Chewbacca and Porgs. Interesting. Let's see what else we got here. It's feeling big. That's what she said. Let's see here. So this is the Star Wars Black Series. Han Solo Exogorth Escape. See that? Han Solo Escape. See that? What is this? Is this the Millennium Falcon? Is that what's in there? Let's take a look at this. Let's see what this is. Let's see exactly what this is. I'm very interested. Like this, I can clearly see that this is a type of game. This, I don't know. Yeah, I'm assuming it's a game. Let's see here. It's like connected to the box. See this? It's like it's connected. See that? It's connected. See that? What is this? Sorry it's taking so long, y'all. I don't want to... Should I have opened it up from the other side? It's like these perforations making me wonder, like... Alright, give me a second, alright? Give me a second. Because the pages, that thing's going to tell me what it is, and maybe I'll be able to open it there and see exactly what we got. Star Wars Special Action Figure Set, Dr. Aphra comic set. Dr. Aphra and her two droids escape from their partnership with Darth Vader to continue to avoid the fate that awaits them if they should cross the former supervisor's path again. Okay. You see that? That's what we got here. Here's the back. Cool. Boom. Wow, okay, this one's big. That's what she said. Let me see here. Ooh-wee! So, alright, so let me put these to the side real quick. I'll display them for you in a second so you can see everything that came in it. Now, what is that? Look at that. Look at that right there. Star Wars, the Black Series. Star Killer Base. Ah, this is the fight scene with them two. Gotcha. Gotcha. It takes batteries, apparently. You can, the other side, Kylo. Boom. And the back. See that? Hasbro has done well. They have done good by me. So, I'll display them all for you in a second so you can see. Let's see, they sent me this. Alright. See what this is. Star Wars The Vintage Collection Dr. Aphra comic set. Alright. That's a $49.99 price point. Star Wars The Black Series Centerpiece Rey, Star Killer Base. This is $109.99. Wow. Star Wars Forces of Destiny, Chewbacca and Porgs. And this is $49.99. Oh, so apparently I was wrong about it being a game. I was wondering if I was wrong. I was like, watch me be wrong about this. There's a figure, apparently. Let's see what this looks like. See what this looks like. Gotcha. There we go. There we go. Cool. That's I like that. That's nice. That's nice. And you got the hole here. You can feel the fur. That's cool, right? That's cool. All right. So this is what I'll do. Let me check. Let me see what the. You see. Let's see. And the Star Wars The Black Series Han Solo and Mynock figures. Okay, so there's figures in that box too. Okay, so let me see here. Oh! It opens! Look at that! Okay, I see. That's why it was stuck like that. Okay. Boom. I know some of you are like, no, that's not how it works. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. I like that. So you can display it without opening it. I like that. That's cool, right? That is cool. Boom. 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 And I can't get it all there. I can't get it all there. I can't get it all there. But y'all know everything that came with it. So that's cool. That is very cool. So make sure you all pick up your toys at San Diego Comic-Con. These exclusive toys. And thank you very much, Hasbro, for sending these to me. 10 million subscribers. Woo!